Once upon a time, there was only darkness. But then in the darkness, there was dust. These dusts have statics, which attracts each other, making bigger pieces of dust. And then into asteroids, which would then have its own gravity. As thousands of years pass, these asteroids makes up the stars, the planets, the solar systems, and the galaxy. Earth. It's just a magical place. The total length of coastlines in the world is approximately the distance of Earth to Moon, with 2/3 of our planet covered by the ocean. With its atmosphere sustaining life, it's just magical. Mountains were formed during the formation of Earth when the gravitational pull of Earth decided to smoothen its bumpy surface, making our planet round, and the tectonic plates clashing into each other. These mountains will be creating an airflow, gushing the winds into the sea, creating big, tall waves. These waves will not only have an effect on the seashore, but also to the ocean currents. Waves always end by the coastlines. In time, these coastlines will wear away, chemically through the change of rock minerals and mechanically through the variation in temperature and the plants. As years go by, these weathered rocks will end up in the ocean, and the waves will crash them together, breaking them into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces of rocks will then be carried by the waves into the coastline, causing more damages and wearing away more coastal materials. Hydraulic action is when the waves trap the air in the holes, breaking the rocks apart using air pressure. The rock pieces will also be dissolved by the sea as it's salty and acidic. This is called corrosion. The coastlines will also be deformed by its rock types, resulting headlands and bays. Through the causes of erosions, the headlands may form cracks, which would then transform into a cave. The cave would then be enlarged, forming an arc. The arc would then form cracks through processes of weathering and gravitational pull, in the end collapsing, forming a stack. Then the stack will turn into a stump, and the process will repeat itself throughout time. Deposition is the dropping of the sea and wave carried materials such as sand, rocks, particles, pebbles, etc. on the beach as the sea loses energy. These materials will then be carried down the beach by a wave-driven longshore direction, caused by wave directions and the wind.